More freaking legal terms to confuse you on the real estate exam. Legal title versus equitable title, and what's the freaking difference? Well, legal title is who owns the property now. It's the name on the deed. It's the name on the paper, and it's like, I own the property, I have legal title. But when I own a property and I have legal title and I agree to sell it to you by an agreement of sale, now you have what's called equitable title, and that means you're going to be the owner of the property. We're in the process of me selling or transferring that title to you. So you do have an interest, and you can exercise that interest now. In conjunction with the contract, you can do things like apply for a mortgage because you have an interest in the property and the contract shows that. You can also apply for some zoning variances. The contract shows that you have this equitable interest, this equitable title that allows you to do things. Equitable can be confusing because equitable sounds like fair, but this term doesn't come from the word fair. It comes from some old-timey law stuff that just confuses us on the real estate exam. But equitable title allows you to do things like enforce the contract. If the seller decides that they're not going to sell to you anymore, equitable title allows you to force them to sell you the property. So for remembering it on the real estate exam, use the word equitable and think fair. Think it's not fair that the seller won't sell me the property because I'm under contract. I have an equitable interest in this property, and this is the right that I want to exercise right now. Equitable title means that the buyer owns the benefit of the property even before they own it on paper. When you're thinking about it for the test, imagine that you sign a contract to purchase a property today and the closing is going to be in 30 days. Who holds title to the property right now? The answer is the seller, because the seller has legal title. Equitable title means the buyer owns the benefit of the property even before they own it on paper. Think of equitable title as the buyer saying, I'm going to own this and I can force it to happen. These terms can be confusing, I know, but when you just slow down and take a breath, practice these two words, you will be able to pass the real estate exam. I promise you. And if you need more help, grab our study pack. It has electronic flashcards, it has audios, videos, and we keep adding to it all the time. Hang in there, kiddo, and comment below if you have any questions or aha moments from this video. I'll see you in the next one.